Nourishing foods for the senses. Food is not just a source of energy and nourishment, it can also be a powerful tool in healing and restoring the body's functions. For those recovering from the loss of taste and smell, particularly after illnesses like COVID-19, certain foods can play a significant role in facilitating this recovery. This chapter explores various foods that are known for their potential to support and enhance the healing of these essential senses. Citrus fruits, vitamin C, richness. Immune boosting. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are high in vitamin C, which is crucial for immune system support and overall health. Stimulating senses. The strong, tangy flavors and aromas of citrus fruits can stimulate the senses, potentially aiding in the recovery of taste and smell. Spicy foods, sensory stimulators. Capsaicin benefits. Foods with a spicy kick, such as chili peppers, contain capsaicin, which can stimulate saliva production and enhance sensory perception. Flavor enhancement. Spicy foods can help in enhancing diminished taste sensations. Fish, omega-3 fatty acids. Nerve health. Fish, especially oily fish like salmon and mackerel, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for nerve health and repair. Overall wellness. The nutrients in fish support overall health, which is vital for the recovery of sensory functions. Nuts and seeds, zinc and magnesium. Zinc source. Many nuts and seeds are good sources of zinc, an essential mineral for taste and smell receptor function. Magnesium content. They also contain magnesium, which supports nerve function and overall health. Green leafy vegetables. Antioxidant-rich, nutrient-dense. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and E, which are important for cell repair and immune health. Olfactory support. These nutrients can indirectly support the recovery of olfactory functions. Yogurt, probiotics, and vitamins. Gut health. The probiotics in yogurt are beneficial for gut health, which is linked to overall health and immunity. Rich in vitamins. Yogurt also provides essential nutrients like vitamin B12, which support nerve health. Garlic and onions. Sulfur compounds. Immune support. These kitchen staples are known for their immune-boosting properties. Flavor enhancement. Their strong flavors can be helpful in stimulating taste buds in individuals experiencing taste loss. Berries, flavonoids and vitamins. Antioxidants. Berries are rich in antioxidants, which help protect and repair cells, including those involved in taste and smell. Flavorful and aromatic. The natural sweetness and aroma of berries can be pleasing and stimulating for impaired taste and smell senses. Whole grains, B vitamins and fiber. Nervous system support. Whole grains are a good source of B vitamins, which are essential for nervous system health. Digestive health. The fiber in whole grains supports digestive health, which is linked to overall well-being. Harnessing the healing power of homemade bone broth. In the pursuit of regaining the lost senses of taste and smell, especially after an illness, the nurturing essence of homemade bone broth stands out. Unlike store-bought versions that may contain additives or lack the nutrient density, homemade bone broth is a treasure trove of natural health-promoting ingredients, free from unwanted chemicals. This chapter delves into the superiority of homemade bone broth in aiding sensory recovery and ensuring overall wellness. The nutritional superiority of homemade bone broth. Rich in collagen and gelatin. Homemade bone broth is naturally abundant in collagen and gelatin. These compounds are essential for repairing tissues, including those in the nasal and oral areas, crucial for taste and smell. Essential amino acids. The slow simmering of bones releases amino acids like glutamine and glycine, integral for immune function and reducing inflammation, which can be beneficial in recovering from infections impacting the senses. Vital minerals. By using quality bones and simmering them for an extended period, homemade broth becomes rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, key for overall health. The benefits of control and purity. Avoiding additives and preservatives. Commercial broths often contain additives and preservatives that can be detrimental to health. Homemade bone broth ensures a pure, natural product without such chemicals. Quality of ingredients. Making broth at home allows for control over the quality of the ingredients used, such as choosing organic, grass-fed bones and fresh organic vegetables. Healing and comforting qualities. Hydration and soothing effect. The warm homemade broth is not only hydrating, but also provides a comforting, soothing effect, which can be particularly welcome when taste and smell are impaired. Stimulation of senses. The process of cooking and the aromatic qualities of bone broth can stimulate the olfactory senses, aiding in the gradual recovery of smell and taste. Making homemade bone broth. Long simmering time. Slow cooking bones over a long period extracts the maximum nutrients, ensuring a rich, healthful broth. Use of various bones. Incorporating a variety of bones, including marrow bones and joints, can enhance the nutrient profile of the broth. Incorporating vegetables and herbs. Adding vegetables and herbs not only boosts the nutritional content, but also enhances the flavor and aroma. Storage and use. Homemade broth can be stored in the refrigerator or freezer and used as a base for soups, stews, or consumed on its own. In conclusion, homemade bone broth is a simple yet powerful culinary tradition that offers a plethora of health benefits. Its role in aiding the recovery of lost taste and smell is underscored by its purity, richness in nutrients, and the absence of harmful additives. Embracing the art of making bone broth at home can be a rewarding and healthful practice, contributing significantly to the journey of sensory and overall health restoration. Usage and considerations. Dietary variety. A varied diet ensures a range of nutrients that support sensory recovery. Preparation methods. Experimenting with different cooking methods can enhance flavors and aromas, making food more appealing. Mindful eating. Paying attention to the experience of eating can help in retraining the senses. The path to regaining lost senses of taste and smell can be as delightful as it is nourishing. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you not only provide your body with essential nutrients for healing, but also enjoy the process of rediscovering flavors and aromas. This holistic approach to recovery underscores the profound connection between what we eat and how we experience the world around us.
Would you like to become the healer of your home and your community and create a profitable online health coaching business? Are you interested in becoming a health coach, a naturopath, an herbalist, or a nutritionist? Do you need help finding the right program for studying holistic health and healing? Or perhaps you already have certification, but you're still not confident enough in healing people and don't know how to build a business that will empower you to have an impact and allow you to leave your regular day job. Are you ready to get a deep and comprehensive picture of holistic health and healing and learn from top healers in our day so that you can stop being stuck in a job or a career you don't have a passion for? Heal yourself and others without the need for pharmaceutical drugs with harmful side effects, doctors, or even dentists. Become more knowledgeable about holistic health and healing than most medical doctors who have graduated from medical school without spending hundreds of thousands of dollars and years of time in expensive medical schools or programs. Build a health coaching business that will allow you to work from home and achieve time, location, and financial freedom. Arukah.com empowers people to become the healers of their home and their community by equipping them with naturopathic herbalism, health coaching, and online business and marketing skills. My name is Mayim. I'm 42 years old and a homeschool mom of 7 beautiful children. These 2 in the photo are my October babies. I became a naturopathic herbalist and health coach in order to take charge of my family's health when the modern medical system kept failing us. We were spending thousands of dollars on insurance and other medical expenses, but they did not have any answers for our health problems. Working from home has been such a blessing for us. I used to work at the NASA Ames Research Center as a computer scientist/engineer. But being able to have an online business has enabled me to surpass my income at NASA and to be there for my family, homeschool them, take care of them, watch them grow up every step of the way for 18 years now. I started Arukah.com in 2009 to help people become healthy and heal themselves. I've coached all sorts of people, and eventually even medical doctors and nurses started coming to me repeatedly for help, for various health issues for themselves or their loved ones. I help people heal themselves of serious diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and high blood pressure, diabetes, as well as other common issues such as hormone imbalances, abnormal bleeding, migraines, eczema, kidney stones, gallstones, cataracts, and even urinary tract infection. Various people began asking me to start teaching what I know about holistic health and healing, including 2 medical doctors who have become very good friends of mine. When I realized that there was such a demand for the knowledge I have, that even medical doctors were telling me to teach, I shifted the focus of Arukah.com, and now we teach people how to become confident healers through our naturopathic herbalist and health coach certification program. We help people become healers of their home and community and create profitable online health coaching businesses. If you're interested in becoming a holistic healer, please visit our website, Arukah.com, Arukah.com. Again, that's Arukah.com. Hope to see you there.